What is up? What's going on, fans of YouTube, my people? We are at the beach yet again. Well, look at it, beautiful. We found a day this weekend where it's just supposed to be, a really good tide, and the swell's really low, like 2 foot. And look at it, it's like a pond out here. So we're on incoming tide right now, and we're going to be getting rigged up. So stay tuned for some epic perch fishing video. And I know I've done a few of these, but man, I just love it so much. Just love it. It's just so much fun. So let me tell you exactly what we're going to be using. So we're going to be using Old Faithful. Okay, this is a Cabela's Tourney Trail. It's something I've had for years. Still head rod, 9 foot, light action. It's what is it? 3/8 to 3/4 ounce, so it's probably a little underkill there, but it works and it feels good. It does good casting. That paired with a Daiwa something. It's just a really nice reel that I got on sale. I want to say it's the RG. What is it? The RG? Yeah, RG 2500. 10 bearing reel, stellar reel. Okay, this has been fantastic in the salt. Got 30-pound spider wire on there, and yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna throw a 17-pound mono leader with some number 4 bait holder hooks from Gami, and we're going to throw the good old gulp worms. So that's what we got going on. I'm fishing today with my great best buddy Sammy, and yeah, we're going to go and see if we can catch some hogs, man. We want to come home with a limit. We got a cooler, and we want to fill it. So stay tuned. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, well, off we go. Let's go and get you guys up just a little bit. There we go. See who gets bit first. Should we, look at that sexiness. Woo! Tell you what. Should we do a challenge?
Yeah.
Should we, whale boogers? No, those aren't good. What should be, what's a good challenge? Let's, okay, let's do a challenge. First fish, okay, not the biggest, but the first fish, that person, as the what? Go streaking, wow. I mean, challenge accepted, I guess. No, let's the person to catch the first fish gets bragging rights. Okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah, it would suck. Well, the ocean looks really nice right now. I'll tell you what. I am excited, Mundo. Man, you don't even gotta walk out that far. It's so nice. First cast is in the water, folks. Let's see what's biting. Fish on! Alright guys, fish is on now. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we got on the end of the line here. It's coming in with it. Might have gotten off. There's the silver. There's the silver. Alright, this is kind of a smaller silver. But it'll still eat. Alright, well, let's go put this guy in the bucket. You think I should, hey, you think that's keepable? You think we should keep that? Alright, we'll keep it. What do you think of that? Isn't that pretty?
You're gonna be so delicious.
Yes, you are. Something big you want to keep in mind is when you're planning your trip, plan it for a high tide. Okay, you want to start fishing an hour before high tide and an hour after. That seems to be when the best fishing is. And honestly, try and find yourself a tide that's going to have low surf. Okay, and by that means that the surf is anywhere in the 3 to 4, or yeah, well, right now we're fishing, it's like 2 feet, okay? But I mean, we're seeing some that are probably about 3 feet, and that's still fine. If you can surf those small, fish those small surfs, you're gonna have better luck. It's gonna be easier, not only to catch a fish, but easier to keep your bait out there longer. And you're not gonna be shuffling around trying to not get so soaking wet and stuff out here, so. Something to keep in mind, you know, we planned this day. We saw it was going to be a low surf day, and we saw that it was also going to be a high tide at 12:45, which is smack dab in the middle of the day. It gives us plenty of time to get down here and get ourselves set up and so on and so forth. So anyways, back to fishing. Stephanie just caught a fish. Cut its gills, cut its gills with the knife, and put it in the white bucket. Okay guys, well, I had the camera off, and my wife just got her a red tail. I'll bring it up and show it to you here. So that's what we're actually after, and that's actually, you know, that's a halfway decent size. We can definitely make some fish tacos out of that, so. You still getting bit? Come on! Oh, double! Double! Look at that, guys! First double! Oh, baby, look at that! Yawn? Yeah! Triple double! Oh, man, that's awesome. That's exciting. Oh, that's a good sized fish. Oh, it's a red tail. Yeah. That's a nice red tail. Man, I haven't caught a red tail yet. I'm all triple double. Woo! That one's barely hooked. Be careful. That's awesome.
Oh, we have redfin.
Yeah, this is a red tail. That's a red tail. Yeah, that's what we want. I think I'm gonna put that little dink back, but
I mean, you know, might as well for catch it. We don't want to take up our 15. But
no. Okay, guys. So battery's all dead now. Well, they were all dead. Now that they're all charged up and everything, I can finally talk about what's going on. So the big bad Northwest Elevations truck had a dead battery, and because we're in Oregon and Gearhart, instead of you know, going and buying jumper cables, which I should have, and so should Sam. Sons of Beaches. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. If you guys are ever stuck on the beach in Gearhart, because all these beaches that are in Gearhart down here you can drive on. If you're ever down here and you get stuck, dead battery, whatever the case, call the Sons of Beaches. What?
Daddy, can we say hi?
Hence, beaches, not a bad word.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi. Daddy, can we say hi? We say hi, Daddy.
We did good. We caught tons of fish. Can we look at this cooler?
Yeah.
Because, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, we did really good. You know what? We'll show you in a little
pull
bit.
it out.
That's fine. We can show them.
Pull it out.
Can I open it?
So, between me and Sam and Steph, we've got,
And Allie's
look at all them pretty fish. My goodness. Yes. We have 30 in here, which is a 2-person limit, which is, yeah, I'm stoked on that. So, fish tacos for dinner. Just stupid, so exciting about it. Anyways, here, talk to Sammy for a little bit.
hey, what's up, meeting? That was an awesome day.
Hey, video thing, please. Hi.
Hi. So many fish. It was amazing.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, technically Sam did win. I think Sam caught the most fish. I, however, did catch the first, which is on video, so that cannot be proven wrong. But yeah, Sammy definitely got the most, and I think he's got the big one too. I think Sammy's got the big one too. One of them red tails he caught was a giant, but absolutely epic day. We sure had a blast. We thank you guys for following along and watching. And
the new fish.
yeah, we did catch a new species today, which I'll have to look up and see what it is. Maybe I'll show you when we get back to the house and start cleaning the suckers, because we'll be cleaning them all up. So anyways, stay tuned for that. Yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back at the house. Having to fillet some fish out. So yeah, we did pretty good today, man. I mean, this is probably the best day of fishing that I've ever had down the coast in the short amount of time that we have been doing it. But huge shout out to Sons of Beaches 4-Wheel Drive Club. They gave us a huge help today by helping us get jumped. Battery in the Excursion, it's kids leave the door open just a little bit, it doesn't last. I need to get a new one, but yeah, check them out if you guys are ever in Gearhart. They're an off-road club that every weekend they're out patrolling around, making sure that people are not getting stuck, or you know, so on and so forth. So huge shout out to them. Thank you very much. Look them up if you're ever in the area and you need a hand. Rather than that, we're just going to get to this. I think what we'll do is just a little time lapse. We'll fillet all these bad boys out, and yeah, that'll be it. So stay tuned.